So now let me take out the tube. If you don't want to break the tube again, you don't want to injure yourself, do not try to push from here. You're going to break the PCB board. Try to push it slowly. I mean, it's not like that hard, to be honest with you. It's quite easy, but again, be a little bit, be careful. Okay, slowly. I'm just going to shake it like slowly. It's not that easy to take out the tube. Again, it's glass, it can shatter. Just try to shake it. Yeah, like this. Can you see? Okay, slowly. Okay, oh, now it's out. Finally it's out. Now let me put the molar tube inside. Yes, the molar one. Okay, here we go. Okay, this one. Okay, let me put inside. So now you can see this one is the 12AU7, which is made in China one, and let me put inside the 12AU7, which is the molar made in Russia one. I'm a big fan of molar tube. So okay, I need to put slowly inside like this. It's not going inside. Okay, I need to, yeah, now it's okay. Yeah, wow, I mean, it's quite easy. So this is how you put inside a molar tube. I mean, that's really quite simple. Yeah, that's really very simple, to be honest with you.